world is changing. Quietly. Not tomorrow. Right now. We used to search for answers slow. Now knowledge flows where questions go. A screen, a prompt, a structured line, and suddenly new paths align. Not magic, not a mystery, but pattern shaped by history. A system waiting for your start to structure thought and turn to art. It's not just what you know today, it's how you learn, refine, and shape. The ones who see, the ones who design, will define the systems over time. Learn AI, expand your mind, structured input, refine design. Every question you define shapes the output you will find. Use it right, clarity grows, precision in precision shows. Not replacing, just enhancing human thinking. Advancing. Write your ideas, build your frame, turn raw thoughts into defined domain. From logic chains to stories told, transform concepts into gold. Solve in minutes what took days, break complexity into waves. From student, creator, founder, mind, AI extends how you design. It doesn't think, it doesn't feel, but helps you make your thinking real. The clearer you ask, the more you gain. Clarity removes the strain. AI responses come from large-scale data, learned patterns, context prediction. Not real thinking, but advanced pattern inference. Learn AI, take control. It extends your cognitive role. Every prompt becomes a key, unlocking capability. Refine your input, guide the flow. Tell the system where to go. Not artificial. Understand, it responds to human No mind, no thought, no conscious state, just patterns learned at massive scale rate. Not human intelligence as defined, but structured outputs from trained design. It doesn't judge, it doesn't decide. It reflects the input you provide. The system follows what you frame. Your prompt defines the entire game. Learn AI, rise with skill, shape the output, guide the will. Every question builds your path, every answer scales your craft. Use it now, refine your way. Clarity leads, not delay. Not replacing who you are. those who understand input
will always control the outcome.